Okay, what's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy Marlon Bennett. Guys, in tonight's video, something that I want to talk to you guys about. I want to talk to anybody and everybody who's if you want to, learn more, or if you're in the process of starting your own business and you want more information about how to make money on the internet working from home. We're going to talk about that, and we're going to talk about how to do it. I've been talking about how to do it using automated marketing systems and sales funnels, but I'm going to broaden that a little bit, right? Because in reality, guys, what I do and what most of the internet marketers that I'm affiliated with do, it's email marketing, guys. Okay, it's email marketing. You can call it anything else you want. You hear people talk about affiliate marketing, and people talk about different MLMs and network marketing, and the list goes on and on and on. In terms of the different platforms or models, business models you can use to make money online. But at the end of the day, most people who are doing it are incorporating it into email marketing, or they're using email marketing, right, to market, right? And the reason I'm mentioning that, guys, is because oftentimes, and I know it happened to me, maybe some of you guys can relate, I joined businesses early on. They provided me with a great capture page. They even followed up with the list I was building inside of the capture page they created. A lot of times in the past, people didn't tell me about having my own autoresponder. Go to a place like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Form. You know, the affiliates don't care, right, guys? They just want you to drive traffic to the page, right? And so that's what I did. I was just drive traffic to a sales page, right? No capture pages at all, no autoresponders. And guess what? A lot of times I was able to make money. But guess what else, guys? I wasn't building my own list. I was building the affiliates list, but not my own. So when you talk about making money on the internet, guys, you always hear me talking about owning the entire process from start to finish, right? Now, I want to talk about making money on the internet, working from home using automated marketing systems and sales funnels. I want to talk about how you guys can do it using email marketing. And I want to talk specifically about the importance and the power of having your very own autoresponder. For any of you guys who don't have your own autoresponder, guys, I'm telling you, at some point in time, you're going to realize the power and the importance of it. And because you can get them for literally pennies on the dollar, there's no reason, right, that I can think of, guys, that you shouldn't have one, right? There's just no reason why you shouldn't have one. Number one, you do get to own the entire process from start to finish, right? You do get to build your own list, right? Your own list. When you can build your own list, you can not only continue to correspond with your potential prospects as they come onto your list, you can correspond with them in any way you want to, guys. Remember, guys, we talk about being creative, owning the process, doing whatever it is you want to do, right? I can shoot a video, I can upload it to YouTube because I have my own autoresponder and software where I can create my own video landing pages and bridge pages and sales pages. I own the process. I can take any program that I want, right? And I can build my own list around it, build it around me, and brand myself because I have an autoresponder. And an autoresponder, by the way, is just one of those things that you want to invest in if you're serious about internet marketing, okay? You can join all the programs that you want, guys, and they can have the greatest capture pages in the world. And the business program owners, they're great, right, about providing you with these capture pages, right? But I have to be honest when I tell you guys, when you can do this yourself, you own the process. You don't have to wait for someone to respond to your prospects as you start to build your list. You know what I mean? You can see these leads coming into your funnels a lot of times if it's configured the right way. And then you manually go in, and then you'd have to email them if they in fact been added to your Gmail or whatever email you're using to build your list. But when you have an autoresponder, you can automate the entire process, right? And again, we'll talk more in other videos about some of the other things you should have, right? Because you want to own the entire process, okay? I don't care what business it is. I don't care what it is you marketing and promoting. If you can build a list, you can build a business, right? And if you have your own autoresponder, you can not only build one list, you can build multiple lists, right? So that's why you want your own autoresponder. And for all you guys who are on the fence and you're afraid that it's going to cost you a lot of money, guys, you can get an autoresponder like Aweber or GetResponse for less than $20 a month, guys, okay? Now, it's true, as your list start to grow, that monthly number will change, okay? When you hit a certain threshold, for instance, and GetResponse, it'll go from maybe $15 a month for the first 1,000 subscribers to maybe, I think the next big dip is at 5,000, and it might be $49, but that's okay, because hopefully as you're building your list, you're making, you're starting to make more money, and you should be able to cover the cost of what the cost of the autoresponder, right? So now, guys, hopefully if you guys are in any type of deal, right, I don't care what it is, what you're promoting, I don't care, you should have landing pages, you should have capture pages. Hopefully, you might even have a few bridge pages, right? Okay, and it might seem like I'm getting ahead of myself, but what I'm saying is, hopefully you guys have those things. But if you don't have control over the actual entire process of the list building process, you're relying on other people to do your marketing for you, okay? You're relying on other people to do your marketing for you. And I'm telling you, let me tell you some of the things that's happened when I did that. Number one, well, I won't go into that. It's not important. What is important is you can pick up an autoresponder anytime you want for less than $20 a month, right? And when you get in there and you start playing around with it, you're going to be glad you did. You're going to wonder why you hadn't done it earlier, okay? Enough about that. Now, guys, let's talk about why I like being able to have my own autoresponder. The number one reason is I can create my own capture pages, okay? Now, I'm going to show you guys something real quick. And I want you to, well, I'm going to go back. Let me go back one frame. And actually, let me go back. Okay. Now, guys, you guys already know I can create capture pages anytime I want, as many as I want, and I can build multiple lists anytime I want. You guys know that, right? So when I can create my own capture pages, I can say whatever I want to say here, right? I can even make it correspond to company capture pages and say the exact same thing. But I'm building my own list when I build my own capture pages. And not only that, guys, we talk about getting creative, right? I can change the background of my capture pages, right? Now, I can change anything I want to in here, right? Say anything I want. I can make this a name and email address. I can even put a phone number field in there if I wanted to. And I can change this background. And I can create multiple pages. I can do whatever I want to do. And I own the entire process, guys, because I have the software to do it. I have my own autoresponder. I have a couple of autoresponders, by the way. So I can do that, right? That means I have complete autonomy, right? I have complete control over my marketing. Even though it's great for other companies to go out and market for you, or, send emails following up with your prospects once you are in their deal, right? Whatever that deal is, you still have to rely on them to do it, right? And anything could happen at any time, even with your own. But when you got your own, you can see everything. You control everything, the messages that they see as soon as they enter onto your list, right? You control that, right? You say what you want to say, right? And you all guys hear me talking about branding all the time. So you can do all of those things when you own your own autoresponder. And let me show you what I'm talking about when I talk about creating your own capture pages, right? I'll get on this page. Okay, that's my recorder, right? I think I was on my page. I had the page. Okay, here we go. So I'm inside of my GetResponse autoresponder, right? And here, I did a video on this before. And here is where they have different templates for you to create different capture pages, guys. And it doesn't really matter what niche you're talking about, right? They have capture pages in here for just about any niche you could possibly think of, right? And the beauty of it is you're just one click or a few clicks of a mouse away from going in here and editing these pages to say whatever you want them to say, and redirect to wherever you want them to redirect. You might want to create a page in here. You might want the person to redirect straight to you in a video that you did, right? You shot on Vimeo or YouTube. Whatever you want to do, when you can create your own capture pages, guys, you have total control, right? You guys agree, right? $15 a month, right? And get response, first 1,000 subscribers, guys. That's peanuts, right? So get in this place, guys, where you own the entire process where your marketing is concerned, okay? Where you own the entire process. I only have, well, I'm going to scroll down a little bit more so you guys can see a little bit more of these examples of landing pages, capture pages. What's your niche, guys? What do you want to do? Again, you can jump inside, get response, or any of the other order responders that providers, you know what I mean? They don't have as much variety as Get Response, which is why I like Get Response and the Power Lead system, because I got all kinds of variety inside there, guys. I get crazy sometimes just creating capture pages. I wasted a lot of time just because I get carried away sometimes with creating things. But the point is, when you have your own autoresponder, such as Get Response, doesn't matter, I'm using Get Response in this example, you can go ahead, guys, tap and pop right in here. And they got video tutorials. They got a live chat over here. You guys see me over here on the left? Got a live chat. Have any problems with anything? Go down, open up the chat, guys. Start talking to somebody. They'll answer all the questions that you need answers, right? Again, the point is, when you have your own autoresponder, you own the process. You build your list how you want, as fast as you want, right? As quick as you want, and you get to add that different level or your own personal branded level of creativity to the process, because you own the process from start to finish. So I'm challenging anybody tonight, if you don't have your own autoresponder, guys, and you don't care what deal you're in, I don't care what it is you're marketing and promoting online, go ahead on and get your own autoresponder, guys, and see if it won't open your mind a little bit more, right? See if it don't get you in this place where you're like, wow, I wish I had done this way before now. Because you can take and start creating your own capture pages, redirecting to whatever landing pages you want to. You guys see me do it all the time. And own the entire process from start to finish. So guys, when we talk about making money online, right? When we talk about making money on the internet using automated marketing systems and sales funnels, I bet you, I promise you, I'm telling you guys, $1 to a dime, they're built around email marketing. Email marketing centers around having your own autoresponder where you can create your own capture pages, redirect those capture pages to bridge pages, landing pages, anywhere you want. Start building a list simultaneously, following up with your potential prospects as they come onto your list, building a brand recognition and familiarity, right? Okay, people get to know you, get to like you, get to trust you, ultimately want to do business with you. So go ahead on, guys, find $15 if it's in the sofa, you know, the couch, and then down in them cushions, you can find $15 down inside there, I promise you. Or you can definitely find it on the floor in the car. I just found 10 in mine the other day. But do that, right? Go ahead on and get yourself your own autoresponder, guys, so you can own the entire process. And remember, guys, we're in the problem-solving business, right? If you can help enough people get what it is they want in life, then you can get what it is you want in life, okay? And to that end, guys, there's a beautiful way I like to end these videos by saying, this is your boy, Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. There's a link somewhere in the YouTube video description area. Click it, guys. Get on my mailing list so you can see what it is I'm doing. Anyway, I'm out of here, guys. Got thousands of miles to go and thousands of more videos to shoot. I'll see you guys on the next one.